You gotta admit, we all love chilling and watching videos online all day long. We can never refuse life on the couch, can we? But while you relax with fun videos, soda, and chips, you can also make free PayPal money worth $200 a day with your favorite YouTube videos. Sounds like the dream life, right? If you have a phone or laptop and a decent internet connection, use your love for binge watching to your advantage. All you have to do is listen closely to this video because I'm going to teach you the easiest steps available to make that coveted fast PayPal money. A few moments from now, I'll be revealing this simple trick from watching YouTube videos. And watching YouTube videos is your gateway to make fast PayPal money in this cash-generating platform. Others would normally spend hours grinding at their desks day in and day out. Today, I'll be letting you in on an opportunity to avoid this online work trap. So, instead of mindlessly scrolling through tons of content which you forget as soon as you scroll away, stick around with me for a few minutes and learn how to make free PayPal money. Before we go further, welcome to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the best and newest ways to make money online regardless of background and expertise. Here, we will go through ways to make money online with the latest cash generating trends so that you can work on your own terms and go for that dream. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and press that notification bell to make sure you're on our list whenever there's a fresh upload. Do you love our content? Leave a comment down below telling what you like most about our videos. Now, let me demonstrate how watching YouTube videos with the help of a website can get you that cash. Let's make fast PayPal money. Before I take you to this website, I'd like to give you a clear view of how much money you'll earn. For one video playlist, you'll earn around $10. For 10 video playlists, you'll earn around $100. And then you can earn a whopping $200 a day for watching 20 playlists. Let me also remind you that this method is free from sign-up fees. Step number 1. On your web browser, go to youtube.com. YouTube, as we all know, is an online video sharing and social media platform owned by Google. It is the second most visited website right after Google itself. YouTube has more than 1 billion monthly users who collectively watch more than 1 billion hours of videos each day. YouTube has expanded beyond the website into mobile apps, network television, and the ability to link with other services. Video categories on YouTube include music videos, video clips, news, short films, feature films, documentaries, audio recordings, movie trailers, teasers, live streams, vlogs, and more. Now, on the YouTube search bar, type push-up. Right now, you may be asking why we are looking at push-up tutorial videos. In today's social trend, more and more people are focused on health and physical fitness. On your screen, you can observe that these videos about push-ups gain hundreds, thousands, or even millions of views. The more views, the more we can monetize these videos in this passive income website. Now it's time for step number 2. In step 2, this is where you can make fast PayPal money from watching push-up videos mentioned in step 1. This website will pay you up to $200 daily. On your web browser, please go to ouo.io. ouo.io is a platform where you can shorten URLs and earn big money. You will be paid for every person who visits your shortened URL on the internet. Before I discuss with you the frequently asked questions on this website, let's give it a shot. On the upper right corner of the screen, click Sign Up for Free. You will then be redirected to a sign-up form which you have to complete. Once you're done signing up, this is how your dashboard would look like on your profile page. This is basically your statistical data on views, earnings, and total available earnings from your shortened URLs. Let's now try shortening links. Go back to youtube.com and let's try this push-up video with 1 million views over here. On the lower right side of the video, click Share. Automatically, the link of the video will appear which anyone can copy. This link here will redirect people to this exact YouTube video. I want you to copy this link and go back to ouo.io. On the upper left of the dashboard, click New Shorten Link and paste the video URL you just copied from YouTube. Press Enter and now you have a new ouo.io shortened URL for this video. This new link here can now make fast PayPal money for you. Don't take your eyes off the screen because I'll be talking about it in a few. OUO also pays you for all legitimate visitors you bring to your links. What's great is, even multiple views from the same viewer are counted. Thus, you will benefit from all your traffic. You will earn dollars for every 1,000 views, and payout rates vary from country to country, as you can see now on the screen. I'm already excited that you'll make fast PayPal money after this video. Stay tuned for the remaining few minutes because this is where I'll finally talk about the other websites that will help boost the clicks and views of your shortened links. Also, keep your eyes glued on the screen and listen well because I want you to do it correctly. Many people do it incorrectly and as a result, they don't make money. So please listen carefully. Now let's answer the frequently asked questions. Nothing is more important than getting due credit for your hard work. So, this is the question our viewers like you always ask. When will I get paid? OUO will send payment using PayPal, Payeer, Payoneer, and Bitcoin. Payments are sent automatically on the 1st and 15th day of each month, which is so convenient. On PayPal and Payeer, you'll have the minimum withdrawal of $5. For Payoneer, the minimum is $50. For Bitcoin, the minimum is $20. The second question is, what would happen if I wasn't able to earn enough to be paid? There's no need to worry in case you fail to earn the minimum amount to be paid this payment day. What you have earned shall be carried into the next payment day or until you're able to meet the minimum amount. All that's left for you to do is sign up for a free account, shorten URLs, and share links everywhere on the internet. Moving on to the third and last step, once you've successfully signed up and shortened URLs in UOU, you can simply go to this website and start gaining clicks and views and make fast PayPal money. Make sure to follow and join me until the end because the more links you use, the more money you'll make online. Before we get to the most thrilling part of the video, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video thus far. If you also find this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. For step number 3, please go to forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a free platform which can give you thousands of clicks on your links. Clicks and views are very important because this is how you can earn money. If you don't get enough clicks and views, you won't earn anything. This is something I don't wish to happen to you. Now, forum.bodybuilding.com is a famous website for health and fitness. People visit this website for fitness knowledge, workout programs, exercise, nutrition, and supplement tips. This is an online community where people around the world come together to discuss and post anything about health and fitness. There are thousands of threads of forums on this website, and you can see here the view count in every thread. Now, observe that each health and fitness thread has 1,000 views. Imagine the clicks and views you can potentially gain from this website. People are also using this platform to gain traffic. If you click one of these threads, you'll find out that people are posting links for videos and articles. There are 2 easy steps to join this online community. First, create an account for free, and second, post your own articles on forums and share it to the whole world. And here's an important tip. To create an article post, you may Google anything about push-ups and some of its meaningful information. Also, keep it simple and short because people nowadays prefer reading concise articles. Copy the text into a Word template first, then go back to YouTube and find 5 push-up or fitness videos you like. Copy their links and shorten their URLs on ouo.io. Now paste the 5 shortened links below the article. You may now use this article with the shortened links for your first forum post at forum.bodybuilding.com. If you can also put up more than 5 shortened links, the better. The more clicks and views you have, the more you can make fast PayPal money. Before this video ends, let me refresh the easy steps to gain the passive income you all deserve. Step 1. Go to YouTube and find push-up videos. Step 2. Copy the video's URLs and shorten it via ouo.io. And Step 3. Join forum.bodybuilding.com and create an article with your shortened links. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comments below and hit the big like button. Also, smash the subscribe button and the notification bell because we'll keep you posted for similar legitimate money-making content. I truly appreciate you joining me till the end of this video. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next money making video.